Hello. Welcome to another episode of Fun Swahili or Nighttime Swahili in 10 minutes with
Fresh Bro 8, Fresh Bro 11,
and Fresh Mommy. In this episode, we are going to do a quick video. I don't know if in our past, when we were covering a couple of things, we did this or not, but we don't have a lot of time today. So I thought, why don't we start learning about time in Swahili? Alright, so what is time in Swahili?
Saa kwa Kiswahili.
Time in Swahili is saa kwa Kiswahili. Alright, now a tip, come closer love. A tip is that in Swahili, 7 indicates the first hour of the day or the first hour of the night. Hence we say saa moja. Alright, when it's 7 a.m. in the morning, we say saa moja za asubuhi, or we say saa moja za jioni to mean 7 a.m. in the evening. So we are going to learn how to say time in Swahili. So that's a really important trick. Again, the hours go 1 to 12. The first hour of the day is 7 a.m. 6 is the beginning. That's like the end. That's the last hour. So the next
I didn't know that.
the next hour will start at 7.
I didn't know that.
You didn't know that?
I didn't know that.
By the way, hi
Said
Fresh
by
Kids. Hi everyone. Hope everyone is
I
doing
didn't
well.
know that.
So we don't have a lot of
I
time,
didn't
so
know
we are
that.
going to try and do this really quickly. But again, I want you to understand that concept. So the first hour is like 7 a.m. is the first hour. The hours end at 6 p.m. That's the last hour of the morning or the last hour of the night time. Again, so the first hour of the morning is saa moja asubuhi, which is 7 a.m. So what's 8 a.m.? Saa mbili asubuhi. That's 8 a.m. What about 9 a.m. is saa tatu asubuhi. What about 10?
Saa nne asubuhi.
Good job. 11 is
Saa tano asubuhi.
12.
Saa sita mchana.
Mchana is daytime. By the way, asubuhi, we should already know that from before. Asubuhi is morning. Mchana is daytime. Jioni is evening. Alright? And then usiku is nighttime. And you're gonna see alfajiri. Alfajiri is like very early in the morning.
What is
Alfajiri is very early in the morning. Alright, so we were at 11 a.m. What's 11 a.m. again?
Saa tano asubuhi.
12
That's the last
noon.
hour of the morning, right?
Right. So 12 noon is what time?
Saa sita asubuhi.
Apana.
Huh?
Saa sita
mchana.
mchana. 1 p.m.
Saa saba mchana.
Right, that's like the 7th hour of the day, right? What is 2 p.m.? What's 2 p.m.? Look at the book for
2
me.
p.m. Saa nne mchana.
Look at the book for me.
Saa nane mchana. Saa nne mchana.
Sana is right here.
Saa nane mchana.
Beautiful. What about 3 p.m.?
Saa tisa mchana.
Saa ti-
Saa kumi.
And what time is saa kumi?
4 p.m.
4 p.m. What about 5 p.m.?
Saa kumi na moja jioni.
Saa kumi na moja jioni. 6 p.m. is?
Saa kumi na mbili jioni.
Alright, so again there are 12 hours in the day, and with the 12 hours, they start at 7 a.m. in the morning and end at 6 p.m.
I feel like
okay?
that's 13 hours. I feel like that's 13 hours.
It's actually not 13, it's 12. The 13th hour goes to 7 p.m. over here, and that starts like the evening hours, okay? So, the evening hours, let's do them real quick.
Saa moja jioni.
That is 7 p.m. 7 p.m. 8
Saa
p.m.
mbili jioni is 8 p.m. Saa tatu usiku is 9 p.m.
Video stopped. Let's continue. So from 9 p.m.
Saa tatu usiku is 9 p.m. Saa nne
10.
usiku is 10 p.m.
Uh-huh.
Saa tano usiku is 11 p.m. Saa sita usiku is 12 a.m. a.m. Saa saba usiku at 1 a.m. Saa nane usiku is 2 a.m. Saa tisa usiku is 3 a.m. Saa kumi na alfajiri is 4 a.m.
Saa kumi
Saa kumi alfajiri is 4 a.m. Saa kumi na moja alfajiri is 5 a.m. Saa kumi na mbili alfajiri is 6 a.m.
6 a.m. So take a moment over there to think about those hours. Again, the time starts at, we start the time at kind of like 7 a.m. to mean the first hour, 8 a.m. to mean the second hour, 9 to mean the third hour, and so on and so forth. So that's why we start with saa moja, saa mbili, saa tatu. Now, if you've already done your times, right? If you already not the times, the numbers like moja, mbili, tatu, nne, tano, like that, this will help you with your times. And again, that's why we covered time at the numbers at the beginning, because everything builds on everything else. Now, we are going to practice actually saying the actual time. So like we have a couple of examples in the book over here. How would you say 8:23 a.m.?
Saa mbili na dakika 23 za asubuhi.
Okay, and the next time that we have over here is 1:45 p.m. How would you say that?
Saa saba na dakika 55 za mchana.
Very good. What about the next one over here, sweetheart?
6:30 p.m. Saa kumi na mbili na nusu za jioni.
Nusu is half, so it's like 6:30.
Half past 30.
6:30.
Yeah, 6:30.
Okay, so that's saa kumi na mbili na nusu za jioni. So now I'm gonna ask you like to think randomly. I'm just gonna pick a time.
Did you do this one?
Right, Matthew did that one.
Oh.
Right? So I'm gonna ask you to think with me for a minute, right? What time? I'm gonna ask you the hour, and then you're gonna tell me what time it is. So it's gonna take you a minute to calculate that. Are you ready? You ready?
Yeah.
All right. So what time is 7 a.m. in the morning?
7 a.m. is saa moja
asubuhi.
What about 10 a.m. without looking? Try to not look. Remember,
Saa
it was
nne
7.
asubuhi.
Saa tano asubuhi.
What's 10 a.m.?
Saa tano asubuhi. Saa tano asubuhi.
How do you get saa tano? How do you get saa nne?
I mean saa
Help.
tano.
10 a.m.
Oh, saa nne.
No, but I want you to actually calculate. I'm gonna close
that's
the book.
why I said
Let's try to
Sunday.
calculate, because you're gonna go from 7 a.m. is, 7 is like the first hour, second hour, like that. So what time is 10 a.m. in the morning? How would you say 10 a.m. in the morning?
Saa nne asubuhi.
How would you say 2 p.m.?
2 p.m.
You have to calculate. How do you calculate? This way.
Saa moja. I just lost count. Saa saba mchana.
Yeah, a little off. Try that again. So 7 is the first hour.
Yeah. The fifth hour is 12, right?
Yeah.
Saa nane mchana.
Saa nane mchana. How did you get that?
Wow, I know 11. You know how Matthew was saying for 10 o'clock? I added one more, so it'll be 5. And then I know if it's after 11, then it had to be 7 hours, and then it'll go 8 hours. So that's why I said that.
Very, very good. Good job. So it's saa nane. So 2 p.m. is saa nane za mchana. What time is 9 p.m.? 9 p.m. 9 p.m.
9 p.m.
Saa tatu za jioni.
Very, very good.
There's no za.
Za is like off, like of the evening, of morning, and okay. What time would what time would 11 a.m. be?
11 a.m.
Saa
tano za.
Very good. Very good. What about 4 p.m.?
Saa kumi mchana.
Very, very, very good. What about 6 p.m.?
Saa kumi na mbili za
jioni. I am so proud of you guys. That's a tough concept. I'm proud of both of you guys. Are doing awesome.
Mattie's doing better.
No, you guys, even you knocked a couple of big ones. Really good. No, listen. Now, time can be a tough concept to understand, because it's almost a little bit opposite from the times in English. But if you understand where how they get the numbers, like they start with the first hour and so on, hopefully it makes sense. So that's going to wrap up our recording today. And we're gonna practice this a couple of times. Please practice every day. Practice every day, learn your times. That way the next time I'll be asking you, Nisangapi. Nisangapi means what time is it? Nisangapi means what
time
is it? Sai nisangapi?
What time is it?
Nisangapi. Nisangapi?
What time is it?
Yeah, like right now. What time is it right now?
It's
Nisangapi?
like 7. It's 7. Oh no, 7:11.
Oh,
okay, so what time would that be in Swahili?
What do you call saa moja na jioni. Saa moja na tano za jioni.
Na dakika.
Dakika 5 za jioni.
Beautiful. High five, you guys. I am so proud of you guys. I am so proud of you guys. Good job. All right. Kwaheri.